Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a Ono lure head, or also a Wahoo lure. Basically I like them because they've got a lot of weight to them. It gets the lure down in the water farther. So here's a basic lure head that I figured out how to make. This is a 3/4 inch wedge anchor designed to go into concrete to wedge open. And this is a piece of 1 inch stainless tubing. So if you push this in here, it fits in there nice and snug. If it doesn't fit in snug enough, you can take your tubing cutter and make a ring around here to squeeze it to fit even more tight. So what I've done is drilled a 1/8 inch pilot hole into the plywood, and then I drilled a 3/4 inch hole to hold the wedge anchor. So this goes in, actually goes in this way. Kind of squeeze it tight. Actually, you almost want to pound it in. You want these to be kind of tight. You don't want to just move around because we're going to pour lead into them. Okay. Then the brass tubing, that's for your leader to go through. Little tap there. Keeps everything pretty straight. This is a pretty good size lure head. There's going to be a lot of weight to it, but I like them when they're heavy. So this taps down until it's tight there. This one's a little bit loose. The rest of them here are tight, but so basically here's a couple different sizes. The reason why we use the wedge anchors is you can tie your skirts onto the bottom of this. The skirts will grab a hold of this tightly, and then the rest is filled with lead. We're going to go ahead and heat the lead up. Okay, this is after we've poured the lead. I'm pulling it out here. So your tube should go all the way through. This whole thing is full of lead. Got a nice dome top on it there. I'm gonna go cool it down now. Give it a good cool down. Bottom here has a little excess. I'm going to pull that out. The top is good. So that's almost your finished project. We can put a little polish on that, shine them up, and your skirts will fit on here. But this guy probably weighs a pound, so it's got quite a bit of lead in it. It's good for a deep diver. Okay, so now we have a completed lure head. This is the smaller one. I'm just going to take my favorite color skirt and slip them on here. That's what all those nice little ridges are for. Basically take my floss, tie it here. I'm going to double skirt this one, pink and black on top of each other. But basically when you're done, that's what you're going to get. Nice weighted head with the whatever color skirts you like.